There's something called Huqooq Allah, the rights of Allah. And there's something called Huqooq-ul-Ibad, the rights of the rest of the creatures of Allah or the worshippers of Allah. If you've done both of those, you're good to go. Yours is paradise. Seek the forgiveness of Allah because I'm a human. You're a human. I have faulted. I make mistakes. I've sinned. I still do wrong. I continue to do wrong sometimes on different levels. May Allah forgive me and forgive all of us. Do you reckon Allah's going to say no? Go to hell. Nah, no chance. No chance. I don't think so. We're trying. Are you not trying to fulfill your prayer on time? Are you not trying to improve? Are you not trying to dress more modestly every day? Do you not have something you're aiming at? Inshallah, one day I want to get there, and slowly working towards that. If you have the intention and you're slowly working towards it, even if you died halfway up the ladder, Allah will count you as though you're right at the top of the ladder. Allah says, we judge you with your intention. You work towards it? Yes. I plan to go for tahajjud or to do tahajjud. I get up 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, right? The 4th day, I overslept. Guess what? The angels wrote that I was there. How? Because I intended to get up, but somehow I overslept. Thinking about it, it's hair-raising. How merciful is Allah? That is what is the meaning of the most merciful. Allah says, you know what? You wanted to do it, didn't you? Well, I just wrote the reward for you. Allahu Akbar. Imagine you want to memorize the Qur'an. You start now doing 1 line a day, 1 verse a day. You lived up to the age of 80 and you only did 5 juz and you passed away. Guess what? You're resurrected with those who've memorized the Qur'an.